Is it possible to really know when a legacy truly begins? After all, it was just another day for the future King Arthur, until he pulled that sword from that stone. Then everything changed. What about the legacy of your client's servers? When do you know when that begins? According to analysts, the potential lifespan of servers is between 7 and 10 years. That's up to 3 times longer than the typical OEM replacement cycle. If your customer server is beginning its legacy, it will need the proper support. CloudCover's service team has been called magicians and wizards before, but so far, none of our team members have actually been named Merlin or insisted we add the great after their first name. We do, however, have a lot of mics. We usually just refer to them as our in-house L3 engineers. Let us help you build a legacy free from forced upgrades and OEM-dictated timelines. It's time to cover your assets. Today is the day. Build your legacy with CloudCover's extended hardware support. Learn more at cloudcover.it.